Have you ever thought about how much faster your online business would grow if you could create high-quality ads and product images instantly without hiring creators, photographers, editors, or models? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that might change e-commerce in 2026. It's called Bandy AI, and it's basically the world's first e-commerce creative agent. It is not another AI generator, but a full system that makes UGC ads, product photos, lifestyle shots, and even try-on images for your brand automatically. And yes, it is super simple to use. You just paste a link and it creates the content for you. Yes, I know, it's unbelievable until you try it. And since everything that we talk about on this channel is e-commerce, product photos, model shots, and making money online with your business, I had to test every feature for you. So let's jump in. So if there's one thing that I've learned from running e-commerce brand and having clients in this niche is that your visuals are your conversion rate. So they're super important. So your product photos, just as good as your sales team. Your UGC videos, they determine your ad performance. Your lifestyle photos, they help build trust with your community, with your audience. So in my previous videos, I talked about product photos and their importance and how low quality or boring product photos can really define your brand. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how Bandy AI can help you take your ideas further and create realistic product videos and photos. So let's test this theory. UGC ads from just a product link. So you just paste a product page link and it will extract your product details, write scripts, and create full UGC ad videos for you. So this works for Amazon, Shopify, eBay, any standard product page. So let's try it together. Make sure to go to the link below to test Bandy AI. So let's paste a product link. Bandy AI automatically pulls a product title, features, selling points, images, and benefits. So you can review and confirm the product details. You can edit anything from images, descriptions, and key selling points. And then Bandy generates multiple video scripts. You can choose from the scripts it creates or reply with your own script. It generates 8 preview videos. So these previews show the avatar and style, but not lip synced yet. So you pick your favorite and Bandy generates the full video with lip sync, voiceover, pacing, all done instantly. So you now have a publish ready UGC ad without paying creators, waiting for shipments, or coordinating edits. So this is a game changer for anybody creating ads or running a brand or testing different creatives. And these are a few of the results that I got with Bandy AI. Next, the product image set generator. Bandy's product image set tool is one of the smartest AI features. Why? Because it acts like a full creative team. Here's how it works. You upload your product photo and a short description. You also choose the platform, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Walmart. You choose the aspect ratio and the language. And Bandy analyzes your product. It studies your category, materials, target audience, usage scenarios, and selling points. And then it creates a full content plan including why background images meeting Amazon standards, features, highlight images, lifestyle scenes, comparison shots, and usage demos. Then you click start generating and in seconds you have a complete product image set that's literally ready to upload your listing. And in seconds you have a complete product image set that's literally ready to upload to your listings. And as you can see, the results are really good. So a few tools from Bandy AI that you will love as an e-commerce seller are the following. Try on clothing and accessories. You can upload clothing or accessories and place them on different models. You can generate variations, test styles, and make your product look premium instantly. It is amazing for apparel brands. Then you have product in hand. This feature is perfect for brands needing that real human touch look. It automatically generates models holding your product, and you don't need any photo shoot. Other useful tools are the AI product video, background remover, in painting, or multi-product try-on. These are things that normally require multiple apps or freelancers, but Bendy puts them all in one place. So the reason why this app is so helpful for e-commerce sellers, it is because you don't need to hire models anymore, you don't need to have a camera, do photo shoots, you just upload your product images, the ones that you could take with your phone, for example, and then Bandy AI adds them to different models, in-hand photo shoots, and all these things that you saw, it is able to create. So if you've been struggling with content creation, with creating the right product photos and videos for your brand, this is your sign. Make sure to go to the link below to try Bendy AI for your brand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!